Meron akong bagong vlog ngayon, right? It's how to make Guyabano shake. First and foremost, I wanted to share this. Kailangan natin, what we need is, first and foremost, Guyabano. Thanks to the homie JC Hernan from Rancheros. He gave us this. Fresh, believe me. Sarap. Thank you, big homie, and to the dad too as well. And also, kailangan natin, hindi lang yan, you also need a cup of water, like this. And also, Alaska, the bomb. Ever since I was a kid, I was eating this. Lalagay ko lang siya sa kanin, and this, perfect. It makes me feel like I'm a kid again, and very delicious. And also, we also need ice, of course.
Daddy.
You got ice. And one last thing. This thing's not gonna be complete without this. This one right here, what we have, Asahi. It's pretty cool. I had this ever since Adam was born. It's like more than 7 years or so, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, so first, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna put 2 of these Guyabano right here, like 2 spoons, right? We'll put it right here, real quick, to the blender. Bam, there you go. And another one. Uy, chef na tayo. Yun na. Marami tayong mga ginagawang stuff. I gotta be back, you know. So, isa pa. Another one right here. Very delicious. Thanks, homie. You're the man. Then, also, after that, I'm gonna put on the water.
Okay.
Ganito lang. Ganito lang muna, right? Because I'm just gonna make 1 cup for me. Just to show you how it works. Later on, kayo nang bahala mag-adjust, okay? Kung gaano karami, kayo nang bahala. Adjust nyo na lang dito sa Alaska. So, lalagay ko siya dito. Tubig. Oops, sorry. It's kind of messy. Yan. Ganyan. And then, there goes the Alaska. The bomb. Again, it makes me feel like I'm a kid. So, dalawang kutsara lang naman kasi it's only for 1 cup. It's just for me to show you guys how it works. Kayo na, again, kayo nang bahala. Later on, adjust it for yourself. So, ito. Ayan na. Okay, dalawa lang ha guys ha. This is just, remember, this is just for 1 cup. And, ito na siya. Another teaspoon. Okay. There you go. There you go. Pagkatapos yan, after that, here's what we're gonna do. We'll put the ice. Of course, kailangan talaga natin yan. So, lagyan na lang natin to. Yan. Kind of watery na eh. Sensya na. So, I'll put the ice right here. So, there you go. It's a little bit, medyo matigas eh. Sensya na. Oh, wee! All up in my face. So, yeah. There you go. Yan. So, tama na yan. Siguro okay na to. Alright. May tubig naman siya. Okay. And then after that, we'll go ahead and put this right here. Mo ha. Dito nyo makikita kung gaano kagaling si Asahi. Tandaan nyo, remember, this thing right here is 7 years old right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Guys, before you do this, make sure it's just a little by little. Do not do it all at once. Para naman maganda yung timpla, di ba? So there you go. Just gonna do this real quick. Okay, make sure you're holding this. There you go, sarap! I can't wait! Pero depende pa rin talaga sa panlasa nyo. Kung gusto nyo mas matamis, dagdagan nyo na lang. Okay? There you go. More. There you go. Ready na siya. Ready na siya, guys, ha? So, there you go. Titignan natin kung gaano siya kasarap. Okay. Tatanggalin muna natin siya. Alright. Now, I gotta put it on my cup. Sabay-sabay tayong uminom. You guys are watching. So, alright. Lagyan muna natin siya. Oh, by the way, pichel pag marami yan, ha? If you guys wanna make it all for the family, then you gotta need one of these. Oh, there you go. That's just a cup. Alright. This one's just a quick one. So, it's all good. Lagyan na lang natin siya dito.
Yay!
Mas madali. Then, takpan natin for safety. Alright. Cheers. There you go. Sarap ba talaga? Guys, kailangan natin to. You know why? Because right now, we're 42 degrees. Don't be dehydrated. Kailangan natin maging hydrate. Basta maganda sa kanya, guyabano siya. So, hey, they're anti-cancer. Believe kami nga, ginagawa namin, pati nga yung dahon eh. Ginaano namin, pinapakuluan namin siya. And then after that, all the water thing in there that coming out, yung katas, all that juice from the leaf, we drink it to avoid all those cancer stuff. You can search it in Google if you want. It's on there. There you go. Guys, cheers. Thank you. Appreciate it.